This unit is our Clean Core Caddy from Clean Core. What you do is you put your plain tap water into the front of the machine here. You turn on your solution pump. Through here you will spray out your solution. I'm going to show you what we do with engineered water from Clean Core. And in that length of time, I've covered the whole restroom area, the bottoms of my fixtures, the baby changing table, off my mirror and everything, the wall, the partition, and the floor. So, once that I have sprayed all of my solution on the fixtures, the Clean Core engineered water, all I'm going to do is I have two vacuum motors here. I'm going to turn both of those on, grab my squeegee, and suck up the floor.